Vaibhavi Thakkar Desai, Principal Designer at TV Studio Designs, and I'll be talking about a very interesting commercial project, which is almost like a 7,000 square feet, into which 2,800 square feet is what was the main interior part of it. And it is for a developer called Avni IM Builders, and it was a project where it's still under construction and we're doing a site office for them. So the first idea was that they wanted to kind of project their entire building coming into this luxury section, and how do they put it across to somebody who's visiting the space. So I looked into the layout that the architect has already developed, and we thought that we can just take the layout of a particular apartment and replicate the same as a site office, so that they can easily explain somebody till the time the building is done and the sample residence or apartment is supposed to be made. They at least can gauge the idea of volume and area segregations from the site office itself. So it's a mix of a very pragmatical approach of an office and also showcasing a feel of residence that talk about the ethos of that developer. So the whole idea of bringing luxury into this project was with the medium of art. So we collaborated this project with the team of House of Berserk, and they kind of helped us on putting a particular art in the spaces. The moment you enter, there is a small landscape, and the way you walk in, there is a mix of prefab structure with the permanent. So it's like a mix of a temporary and a permanent structure, because the moment this entire development will be done, the site office is not going to be there. So also we wanted to commission artwork that are something where you can remove it and then you can place it somewhere in the future, except one of the walls, which was one of our favorite work. So the moment you enter into the space, on the left there is this entire living area, and behind we wanted to have a huge mural. Now the selection of this mural is like showcasing the same painting of Guernica by Pablo Picasso. It talks about anti-war. So this living area had to reflect this idea of bringing in peace. So that's how we selected this mural. The moment you go ahead, there is again an imitation of the balcony. So there is a small courtyard that's being shown, and then there is another living area which is going to be like the cozy informal living, and the other rooms were divided into spaces for their own personal offices area. I'll just highlight the key points where we call this project as resolutely contemporary, because their idea was to bring only infrastructure which spells luxury. So as Gandhinagar is the next game changer for infrastructure, this project is in Gandhinagar, and the idea was to keep it rooted but have materials that are not very conventional. So even the chandeliers that are used in the space are imitation of wooden ternary and in terms of blown glass. And the furnitures that spell luxury are specially designed by some of the very high profile furniture designers from Italy. But nevertheless, the flooring, the other materials, they were all taken from the city itself. The idea was to keep entire area very open planning, obviously, so that anybody who's visiting the space, they can guide them on how much area is given to the kitchen, how much area is given to the dining, living, and the bedrooms. So this project becomes like a small preview before the sample house is done. So thank you.